Hello, madlang people. Okay, Ninya. Okay. Maganda yung performance mo sa umpisa. Okay. Because you were in your comfort zone, the range was okay, the tone quality was okay. Kaso, nung nag-progress yung song, I think that was in the chorus or in the bridge, na off ka. It was really bad. I'm just being very honest, no. So I had to make you bilang. Pero I admired your fighting spirit. That's very important. Basta hindi ka lang tawag dito, ano yung masiraan ng loob, no? So tuloy ka pa rin. Nung nag-progress yung song, sa may another change of key. Ibig sabihin ng change of key, nagbabago nag-transpose yung
Susi.
yung susi, no? At hindi mabuksan kasi iba yung susi na. So yon, medyo na-rattle ka doon. That was a very obvious mistake. I don't know if you heard it, if you were conscious ka noon, Ninya.
Yes po.
Yeah, sayang. I think lang kasi mahirap yung change of key na yon eh. So, if kailangan praktisado mo yon. So, unfortunately, it happened. So, I had to make bilang again. Then, towards the end, I think you got rattled a bit. So, but still, nilaban mo pa rin. So, I respect that. So, yon. I'm just being very honest.
Maraming
Ninya,
salamat po. Thank
Oo,
you.
Yeah. So, aside from that, good performance pa rin. It happens to the best. Okay? So, I should congratulate you for finishing it pa rin. Okay. So, Ian. Ikaw naman, Ian, I always loved your voice. And I'll be very honest again, the notes that you sang today were one of the most tasteful choices of notes that anyone could have delivered. Yung kulot, ang ganda ng mga kulot mo, pati yung nota ng mga pinili mo, napakaganda. So, congratulations. Big congratulations.
Thank you po. Paano ba pinipili yon, Sir Louie?
Yung nota
As
kasi...
a singer, yung tasteful na mga notes, paano napipili yun as a singer?
Depende, Vice, kasi kailangan ma-inspire ka muna para makita mo at ma-imagine mo yung mga nota eh.
Kailangan musically inclined ka talaga.
Oo,
no?
yes,
Kailangan may tenga.
yes. So, kasi kapag may nakita kang nota, automatic, yung may nakita kang, hindi may nakita.
Sir Louie,
Hindi. Kapag may narinig kang mga nota sa notes sa utak, automatic na si bibig eh.
actually, ano ba tinatawag? Yung musical intelligence ba yun?
music eh.
Pag malawak ang iyong intelligence sa music, talagang normal na sa muscle, sa bibig.
Sa bibig.
Pag pinakinggan mo sila, ba't parang ang dali sa kanila? Pero sa atin, ang hirap.
Totoo, napakahirap.
Parang, paano yun? Di ba? Paano napipili yung mga ganong notes na pinaglalaruan lang?
It comes with inspiration and
With
experience.
Experience,
Experience
yes.
yun. Yeah.
Maraming salamat po. Hanggang
Thank you.
doon na lang po tayo, Sir Louie. Thank you very much po. Hanggang dito na lang ba tayo? Maraming salamat sa ating punong hurado, Louie Ocampo. Eto na. I-anunsyo na natin ang wagi sa round na iyon. Ang Grand Restbacker na may mas mataas ng markang 96% at magpapatuloy pa sa kompetisyon ay si... Ian Manibale!
Congratulations! Mag-uuwi ka ng 20,000 pesos.
Ninya, dito na nagtatapos ang iyong tawag ng tanghalan All-Star Grand Restback Journey. Salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng tampatimpalak na ito.
Yes, Ninya. Ninya?
Narito naman ang official scores sa naganap na ikalawang rest back battle.